enjoy a video through the speaker's superior sound quality. Also, for example, at a balcony you're listening to music, then you wander back to a room. Similarly, just drag the speaker icon to your smartphone icon, and the music will now come out of the speaker. Such an experience is also available for video. You may be streaming an amazing video on your phone, and then you walk into your living room, where you have a Huawei Vision. You may want a better viewing experience. Just drag the icon of the Huawei Vision to the smartphone, then the two devices will instantly connect and the video will be streamed through the smart TV. A smart TV in your living room certainly presents a more immersive experience than a smartphone. Another possibility is that you're watching a movie or video on your Huawei Vision. It's already late and your whole family has gone to bed. The last thing you want to do is wake them up, but you still want to finish the video. Just drag the earphone icon to the smartphone icon, and as earphones, the smartphone and Huawei Vision will start functioning as one super device. These options give consumers an experience that would have never been possible with just a single device. We have made such an experience possible by implementing advanced technologies. Two technologies in particular have been adopted to ensure the images and sounds stay in sync. The first is the soft clock synchronization. Connected devices all follow the same reference clock. The second technology addresses the challenge of interference. High interference causes jittering, increased lag, and higher packet loss. We have to guarantee that interference will not have a detrimental effect on consumer experience. Therefore, we have used innovative technologies to ensure the images and sounds stay in sync. The ability to combine devices into one super device has also become available to other vendors. This is an innovation we introduced in collaboration with Youku. On a smartphone, users can choose different viewing angles of the video on Huawei Vision. This is just the first step of capability sharing. In the future, there will be limitless possibilities. Since MeTime's debut, it has gained huge popularity among users. Video calls with MeTime can seamlessly switch between different types of devices. Now, if we combined a phone with a Huawei Vision to form one super device, a MeTime call can transfer from the phone to the TV using the camera, the larger screen, bigger speakers, and superior microphone. We look forward to seeing more creative applications enter our lives. When you're creating, you might be using a tablet. What if you need an image from your phone? Traditionally, this can be quite a hassle. First, you might need to establish a link between your tablet and phone. You may then have to use an app to transfer the file from the phone to tablet. But this is all much easier with HarmonyOS. We can just drag to connect the smartphone and the tablet. And then, after they have become one super device, you can just drag the desired image from the phone straight onto the file you're working on the tablet. If a phone and tablet can form one super device, can a PC and a smartphone do the same? Of course. A simple drag will do the trick. Most PCs runs on Windows, but the smartphones can run on HarmonyOS. The reasons the two operating systems can collaborate is because we have implemented a HarmonyOS plugin on our PCs. With these plugins, the file systems of the two devices can be seamlessly connected. This allows the smartphone to appear as a drive on your PC. Accessing a phone file on the PC becomes so much easier. For example, if I am writing an email on a PC and I might want to add an attachment, which is a file on my phone. To achieve this, I simply click on the drive icon of my phone on the PC, locate the file, and add it as an attachment. Or if I'm trying to share a content to my friend via an instant messaging app, the content is on my PC. Then I can just drag the content and drop it to the messaging app on my phone, and that's done. If on my PC I found a great picture and I want it to be saved on my phone, I can just combine my phone and PC as one super device and just right-click to save that and select the drive icon of the phone. The distributed capabilities of HarmonyOS allows consumers to combine devices to form super devices. It will have unlimited applications. 鸿蒙多机位模式基于强大的分布式能力，呈现不同机位视角，不错过任何一个角度的震撼，更可随意调用所摄影像。让影像打破设想。Many smart household appliances are now entering people's lives. For example, kitchen appliances and other home gadgets are becoming increasingly intelligent. However, many of their smart features are never accessed by consumers. Why is that? Because most household appliances require consumers to download corresponding apps in order to control them. We all know that apps can be tens of and even hundreds of megabytes in size. The process of downloading, installing, and registering often discourages consumers. And after consumers have downloaded an app, they have to find a function they want. And usually they will have to wade through different layers of app manual. This also discourages consumers. Less than 10% of smart appliance owners have installed the corresponding apps, and among those who have installed the apps, less than 5% actually use the smart features. But with HarmonyOS, accessing smart features is so much easier. Let me show you the kind of experience we can expect from HarmonyOS-powered household appliances. We want to make it easy to set up connections within the HarmonyOS ecosystem so that consumers can access smart features more easily. How do we connect two HarmonyOS devices? We simply tap the phone against another HarmonyOS-based device, such as an oven. This one tap establishes the connection. And then, after that, the user can access to all smart features through the widget. For example, here in the recipe widget, we found something we like. We can simply follow the recipe instructions and place all ingredients in the oven, then tap to start cooking. All you need to do now is wait. I think this will be immensely helpful for people who lead a busy life. With HarmonyOS, household appliances are more than just machines. They are capable of providing services to make our lives easier. Ingredients are key to amazing cuisine. Due to the life we lead, many of us will probably make food purchases for the next week and then shoved everything into the refrigerator. How can we prevent the nutrition of the food from being lost? This concern is also addressed by HarmonyOS. Just tap the phone against a HarmonyOS-powered refrigerator. Then you will see the widget for smart temperature control. And you will be shown that the best temperatures to preserve your food, such as a salmon fish sashimi. In this case, you probably want the temperature to stay at -3 degrees Celsius. Then you just need to tap your phone to set the perfect temperature. Chinese people love drinking soy milk and multi-grain drinks, but different people may need to take their beverages differently. Today, soy milk producers cannot customize their drink for individuals, and few consumers know what kind of drink their body needs. HarmonyOS is here to help. With users' consent to access data from the Huawei Health app, the drink maker will assess your health. And even based on the assessment, the drink maker can recommend the right drinks for you. I think this is the kind of seamless AI life we are all looking forward to, where we're not dealing with machines. Instead, we're enjoying the services of a dietitian who constantly helps to improve our health and diet. On 10th of September last year, HarmonyOS was made available to partners, and we're very grateful for all their support. More and more partners have joined us in the HarmonyOS ecosystem, including appliance brands, solution developers, and module manufacturers. After seeing the different use cases, I think consumers should have some idea about how the control panel of HarmonyOS can meaningfully help in their lives. The control panel allows consumers to control not just the device in their hand, but other gadgets connected to that device. More importantly, it is a portal for consumers to create super devices. Thanks to the distributed capabilities of HarmonyOS, the control panel is available on smartphones, smartwatches, and tablets. In the future, we hope that all devices with screens in the HarmonyOS ecosystem will support the control panel, allowing consumers to easily use and control the devices they own. Now I'd like to show you more features of HarmonyOS. Consumers today are accessing services through the apps they've downloaded. Apps on smartphones are very powerful. They are very powerful on our smartphones. Consumers can easily access information and digital services through apps and connect with their friends and family. But when there are more devices coming to our life, accessing services with apps only might face certain limitations. This was also one of the frustrations we tried to address when designing HarmonyOS. Even if multiple devices are combined to function as one super device, we still want to make sure app developers can deploy the same code on different hardware. This is the distributed application framework provided by HarmonyOS. The distributed application framework, together with atomic services, can make that a reality. Now, I'd like to show you HarmonyOS home screen. As long as apps are adapted with the HarmonyOS distributed capability and atomic services, you can simply swipe up on an app icon on the HarmonyOS home screen. This will display the app's key information to the user. On the HarmonyOS home screen, atomic services are delivered through service widgets. For example, if certain information is important to you and you want to see it all the time without having to unlock the phone and open an app, to do this, I can simply pin the information on the home screen, like a sticky note. Based on their demands, consumers can define different screens for different scenarios. They can have a screen for productivity, a screen for entertainment, and another screen perhaps for fitness and health. HarmonyOS home screen also offers another helpful feature. When you put two apps into the same folder, the home screen will remind you if there are also other apps of the same type. Just tap to confirm, and then all related apps will be put into the same folder. And what's more, the folder can be expanded to a smart folder with one tap. A smart folder displays the thumbnails of app icons, allowing users to easily see which apps are in the folder. Without having to tap on the folder to find out, they can also open an app by tapping on its thumbnail. Thanks to the distributed capabilities of HarmonyOS, the service widgets are also available on smartphones, smartwatches, tablets, and Huawei Vision. I would also like to unveil another amazing feature. Typically, consumers today download apps on their phones to access services. That's very normal. But when I'm not on my phone but want to access the same service on another device, it's virtually impossible. But HarmonyOS makes it possible. Let me show you how exactly HarmonyOS is helping to dissolve the boundaries between physical devices and cloud services to flow between them. Let's say we have a smartphone and a tablet. When they have merged into one super device, the task center will show the ongoing tasks on both devices. If I'd like to move a task from my phone to the tablet, I just need to swipe it like that, and it goes onto the tablet. I can also check on the running apps on my phone from my tablet. I might want one of them to run on my tablet. Just one tap, and it's done. This kind of amazing experience is unimaginable in any of the existing ecosystem out there. But it's very simple and convenient in the HarmonyOS ecosystem. The super device capability of HarmonyOS can transfer a service to the device that most suits a user. If you're cycling, the workout app can move to your tablet. Apps can also flow onto Huawei Vision. Each of these operations only required a simple tap and drag. Let's take a look at the experience with Huawei MeTime. Huawei MeTime is based on the HarmonyOS distributed framework and integrates atomic services. Let's take a look at how me time flows between
在
different
鸿蒙的世界
devices.
里流转，让畅联活起来。首先，畅联消息不会禁锢在一个屏幕里。那没有屏幕的设备呢？
一样可以。
有了鸿蒙，处理信息不再手忙脚乱，哪个设备方便就用哪个。注意力在哪儿，服务就在哪儿。这才像鸿蒙。人到哪儿，下一秒服务就到了。